30 miles on a Gulf Stream, I hear the south wind moan. The bridge getting lower. The shrimp boat's coming home. The old man down in the corner slowly turns his head, takes a sip from his whiskey bottle, and this is what he said. I was born in the rain on a punch train underneath a Louisiana moon. I don't mind the strain of a hurricane that come around every June. The hot black water, the devil's daughter, she's cold, she's hard, and she's mean. But nobody taught her it takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans. Man came down from Chicago. He gotta set the leaf right. He says it needs to be at least 3 feet higher. It won't make it through the night. But the old man down on the corner, he said, don't you listen to that boy. The water be down by morning, and he'll be back to Illinois. I was born in the rain on a poncho train underneath a Louisiana moon. I don't mind the strain of a hurricane that come around every June. The hot black water, the devil's daughter, she's hard, she's cold, and she's mean. But nobody taught her it takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans. "30 miles on a Gulf Stream, I hear the south wind moan. The bridge getting lower. The shrimp boat's coming home. The old man down in the corner slowly turns his head, takes a sip from his whiskey bottle, and this is what he said. I was born in the rain on a poncho train underneath the Louisiana moon. I don't mind the strain of a hurricane that come around every June. The hot black water, the devil's daughter, she's hard, she's cold, and she's mean. But nobody taught her it takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans. I was born in the rain on a poncho train underneath a Louisiana moon. I don't mind the strain of a hurricane that come around every June. The hot black water, the devil's daughter, she's hard, she's cold, and she's mean. But nobody taught her it takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans. But nobody taught her it takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans.